Alrighty. I can hear the wind and I can hear water. Oh yeah, the water's up super high. Holy cow. And a frog. Oh. Normally I can walk down there. Certainly can't today. Oh, it's so pretty though. Over here, this is normally just a little stream. That house hasn't been there that long. Oh, I hear frogs in there. I love the way the frogs sound. They're big bullfrogs. That bull noise, that's a bullfrog. Wow, this is amazing. What a gift. Being alive. Such a gift. Hope you're having a great day, whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.